All right. What's up, guys? So you have some holes in your bounce house, right? And you want to know a cheap way to fix it. This stuff right here is less than $10. This is T-Rex waterproof repair tape. You can patch as many holes as you have, as long as you have enough tape. I'm going to show you how to use it. All right, so here's a look at two of the holes on this particular bounce house. One is a much larger hole, the one that's on the blue part. That's where the actual water sits at. And the other one's on the orange part. It's a smaller hole, but that's part of the bounce house that they actually jump on. So this is a pretty straightforward and easy repair. Go ahead and open the box up, take the tape out, cut a piece of the tape to the size that you need. So we don't want to overdo it. We're going to just cut a piece of tape that's going to be slightly larger than the hole. The part where the water actually sits at, we're going to cut two pieces. So we're going to cut one piece to go on the top and one piece that goes on the bottom. Correction, I should say 4 pieces. 2 pieces for the top and 2 pieces for the bottom. For this particular hole. For the smaller hole, we only need 1 piece that's going to be significantly smaller. And by the way, this tape is kind of sticky, so just make sure you use very sharp scissors to cut your piece. Otherwise, it's going to stick to your scissors. So at this point, I have my 2 pieces applied for the larger hole on the front, and I also have my 1 small piece cut for the small hole in the front. Now I'm applying my 2 pieces on the bottom of the bounce house. This is for that larger hole, and this stuff is amazing. All right, so as you can see, the bounce house is all patched up. And by the way, I have a few more holes than what you actually see right here. What happened was this thing sat in a shed for the winter, and we took it back out for this summer, right? Some type of animal got to it and chewed probably about 7 holes in it. But instead of buying a new one, we just bought some of this tape, and it 100% patches it. It is leak free, and it's very easy to apply. This tape is actually being advertised as being able to apply underwater. I didn't try that, but I mean, if you apply it while it's dry, you will have no water leaking from your bounce house. And although I can't speak for every bounce house, from what I hear, take my word for it, this black T-Rex tape works much better than the patches that they give you that comes with the bounce houses. So can't speak for everyone, but it definitely works better than the tape that came with this bounce house. Anyway, for more information on this product, I will put an Amazon affiliate link below in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Questions or comments, let me know. Take care. I will see you all in the next one, and thanks for watching.